Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm so happy to have all of you here because we are just a few months to receive the best season of the year. We are about to receive the holidays and well, I wanted to share this video with all of you. We are going to make with this material a set of beret and a scarf, and the best part is that we are going to make it with our fingers. We won't need any needle or hook, just our fingers to crochet this beautiful set. But well, before we start, I want to invite all of you to subscribe. Well, for this complete set, we are going to need 300 grams of this material that is a medium weight yarn. I will make it in gray and I will use it to make the beret and the scarf in a standard size. We are going to use our fingers, but if you can, well, you can use the hooks of number 12 or number 15. First, we are going to start making the scarf. So with one thread and with our fingers, we are going to make a long strip of chains. In this case, for this scarf in a standard size, I will make 100 chains. But if you want your scarf longer, well, you can make more chains, okay? So this is how we are going to make the chains as it were, or the hook. And like this, we are going to make 100 chains or more. Is that your case? Well, at the end of the 100 chains, we are going to make one chain more, and this is to go up, and we will start in the second chain making single crochet. Okay, like this, we are going to make one in each space. Please make sure that at the end you have 100 single crochet. And well, I want to continue making more single crochet with you so you can see exactly what it is. Also, the secret comes when you do the base chain. You have to make this base chain a little bit loose, okay? It is important so later your finger can fit on it. And well, at the end of the row, we are going to make the last single crochet. Please make sure that you have 100 chains. Well, the first stitch, we are going to take both parts of the chain. As you could tell, we have two parts, right? So we will take them, and the rest of the stitches, we are going to take just the back. And we are going to finish like we started, okay? Also taking both parts of the chain. So like this, we are going to continue making more rows. Imagine that here we already finished this row, right? So again, when you turn around, we are going to continue again taking like reef stitch, right? Only taking the back part of the chain. Well, so far the white of my scarf it's perfect, so I will stop right here because remember that also I want to use the rest of my yarn to make the beret, and I will show you how. Remember that at the beginning and at the end of each row we are going to finish the same, taking both parts of the chain. So here I'm going to cut and I'm just going to leave it like this. It looks so pretty. This is a standard scarf. Remember at the end to hide all the threads that you may have, and well, I will leave it like this. So now I will show you how we are going to make the beret. We are going to use the same yarn and also with our hook, with with our finger as it were the hook, right? So we are going to start making as many chains as we need. That goes all around our head, okay? Well, here I finished this strip of chains and it goes all around my head. Please, I suggest that you make this long strip of chains a little bit uh, tighter, okay, all around your head, because later with the coming stitches it will be a little bit loose and later will be difficult to adjust it. So try to make less chains than the ones you need to go all around your head. We are going to close in circle the slipping one, and then we are going to continue also in circle making a single crochet row. If in your case you made 30 chains, well, at the end remember that you must have 30 single crochet. Well, after the first row of single crochet, there we are going to check that we didn't twist and that this part is straight, okay? In case that you have it like this, like a little bit twist, don't worry, just fix it. It's better to fix it here in the first row and to have just a small twist here than later, okay? So please check that, and then we are going to continue making all around and making more rows. In my case, I will make 4 only. Well, so here I finished the first rows, okay, the first row. Then in this row we are going to increase. So right away in the first stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet together, then next to it only 1 single crochet, then again 2 single crochet together, so it means in the same place, and then 1 single. Like this is how we are going to continue this 5th row. Well, like this we are going to continue making more rows until approximately we have like 15 centimeters of 20 centimeters, okay? Just this row will be of increasing, but the rest we are going to continue making 1 in each space, so like this until we have approximately 15 or 20 centimeters. Well, look, so yes, approximately 15 centimeters row and maybe 2 rows more. So now we are going to take all the stitches, we are going to make long loops. Like this, we are going to go in order and we are going to take 1 stitch out of each stitch, okay? We are going to continue like this all around. We need to keep them in our finger. If for you it's difficult, well, you can put them in a stitches saver, or you can use a hook or something else to keep them, okay? But it's very important that we hold all of them together, because later I will show you how we are going to close, in this case our beret, but also we are going to, and we use this technique when we use our hook. This is how we close the hats too, and it's very useful. So like in this case we are using our finger, well, we are going to do it like this. Remember that we are making here a beret, so that's why I made a little bit more of rows than the ones we used to do for the hats, for the beanies, because I want this beret a little bit loose, like more casual, and a different beanie and hat like the ones we have. So like this is how we are going to continue. As you could see, I can't like pull more my finger, so what I will do is that I will bring all these loops back to the finger like this, okay, by making this trick, and like this is how we are going to keep all the stitches in our finger. And well, you will see how easy it is. Let's finish. Remember, go in order, please don't skip any space, take your time, and it's important also that we make them a little bit loose. So here we almost finished. We are about to, only one more. And okay, let me see, we have now all the loops in my finger, so I'm going to take one loop, I will yarn over, and I will bring all the stitches through it, okay, like this. Please make sure also that you take all of them, it's very important, take your time and very carefully. Well, look, we already have all the stitches. Here in this thread we are going to make a knot, and with this we have our beret closed. Okay, at the end we are going to cut, and we are going to hide all these threads that we have here, and with this we have our beret. And well, I think that I won't make any extra decoration or so. I think that the yarn by itself is so beautiful. But if you want, you can make a brooch, or you can crochet a flower or a pompon or something to decorate. But well, now let's see how it looks. Remember at the end to hide all these loosened threads through it, and then you can cut. But first hide them. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you will enjoy making this beret with me. As you could see, it's a little bit loose, like more casual, more modern. This is a different beanie from the ones that I have shared in my YouTube channel, so I wanted to make it different. And well, this is the scarf, and with this you complete your set. Remember that we are still on time to make our Christmas gift, or if you want to make something special for someone, I think that this will be an amazing idea. But well, thank you so much for watching until the end of my video. Please stay tuned for more ideas. Let me know in the comments what else do you want that I make. And look, this is the material that I have left from this project, so the material list was perfect and enough. But well, thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Take care.